You alright?
Yeah.
I figured we go down instead of take that, right?
Alright.
That trail split right here?
What's that?
The trail split right here. I figured we keep on going down.
I think so. Shit.
Damn, that's pretty hairy right
That was
there.
crazy, dude. Fucking that log.
I know.
Like, you know, after that waterfall part,
Yeah.
I was stuck there for a bit. I was like, fuck.
Alright.
I was like, my foot was on a rock, but it was so steep. You have to kind of walk it.
Alright.
Did you check map or? I think we're going the right direction.
I think we're going the right way too.
Yeah.
It should open up soon.
Yeah.
Alright. Man, I got the pedal in my shin too.
You did the what?
The pedal in my shin.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. That right here's pretty steep too. I don't want to pick up speed on this thing. It's kind of hairy. I guess that's the. Looks like it. Can I check the topo?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this then.